Ann Carey.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And this was our Shadow Waltz class.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of vehicles to get into Shadow, but the one that we used is a variation of the pendulum. So we use a pendulum forward, step, step, back. This is a pendulum. Forward and back. I'm going to send her away and bring her back, and I'm going to do a foot fudge and step on my right foot. So what I'm doing here is I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, step 1. I will reverse that when I'm going back the other way, starting with my right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, step 1.
But we also said that as long as you get that really good step back on 4, you can kind of just stand there, go right foot, and there you go.
Foot. So, and by the way, if I was doing rotary, I could do this, I could send her out, I could go away and back. So there are a variety of ways to get in. But one more time with the pendulum. And 1, 2, 3, 4,
compress, send away, stretch,
step back,
open,
and then we go in and out. And this is our basic, into the middle, back to the outside.
Skating together.
Notice that our connections, ideally palm, but the biggest and most important connection is that shawl. That shawl right on the back. Now we're similar size, but if she was shorter, right, it would just be here, all right?
I'm always thinking about kind of having that lovely outward squish, squishing my little gossamer bubble all around me so that we have nice connection, but it's pretty light.
Then we talked about exits, and we talked about 4. So the first couple, we want to make sure, in fact, all of them, we're going to eat 3 beats. So we're going to step 1, 2, 3. And then I've got options. I can go ahead and back up a little bit and take this right hand, this is the easiest one, and bring her right back, change my feet, and go into back. Looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Using that same side, I can do a free spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
The other variation on that was to use our left hand up and over. So we could either bring the right hand through, or we can eat 3 beats and bring the left hand through. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In front and
round and change feet. Then, for those of you who now keep in mind that if I did this one with the spin, I could come around in rotary. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can pick her up here, right? Or I can do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now she's going left, and I can take advantage of that. So those are entrances, exits from other waltzes.
What we said is for that turn that we practice is that I want to come in front and really utilize that little bit of rotation that she's bringing me in so that we have some nice compression built up here. And then I'm using this left hand to kind of give myself a hug, right? Give myself a little extra speed. And then I'm really thinking about as soon as I scoop, I'm relaxing, expanding my frame, and finding the person with the information.
All right, round the world.
Oh, a little turn.
Oh my goodness, that's right. We didn't even practice it. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
She's giving me just a little bit of a prep. So we're going 1, bringing that right shoulder forward. And then this is really in place for 2, 3. And then again, I'm relaxing through that.
Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right.
Then we did around the world.
Around the world. So, cardinal directions. In front, lift to the side, around the back, and flip.
It's kind of like north, east, west, back to north. We're kind of ignoring south.
Yeah, we just kind of sweep through south. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In front, lift to the side. I'm going to step to the right.
Yep.
And now to the left.
That makes it super easy for me. I'm really thinking about staying close providing that outward connection one more
And
time.
when she gets over to here,
Did you said?
so I can use this hand to flip, that low hand. I don't want to be working from the upper hand.
Whenever we have a low hand to use as our leading hand, that's probably the good one.
Right at the follow center. It's so convenient.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in front, lift, to the side, across the back, and in the front, and we immediately go back into our basic.
Then a similar one.
Through the rabbit hole. We'll show it from 2 directions. I'm very much using the pendulum for this.
Oh yeah.
With a basic on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to step forward, forward, back, to the side, hand, and we'll do it from the front, and front,
Compress.
back, to the side, hand, and 1.
And we were really talking about the fact that if she's really paying, I mean all of these things, if she's paying good attention to me and really welcoming me into these spaces, it's so much easier.
That's right. Which, showing it one more time because it's useful. As she comes through, I'm watching her as she goes back.
Getting the hand right at the last minute.
And she's going, what is this?
Okay.
So I'm saying, yep, that's it.
Oh, okay.
And notice I'm looking at her and offering that hand. In a darkened room, I may even twiddle the fingers. All right.
Then we had whirls, which is really using the same lovely compression, but sending it over to the other side and running into her so we can get a little flip.
So I'm basically setting up all the energy I need to make this puppy work. Here we go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Upper front, catch, and pivot. Pivot's on 5, so I want to have her settling into this side quite a bit earlier than that, actually. So in slow-mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Allow it to float, and you'll get more distance around.
We said for follows that I'm always trying to I'm not moving my arms out, but I'm thinking kind of doing like a plank or a push-up where I'm bracing. I'm gonna get more connection on my left side, but then that whole last part of the flip, I'm really bracing with my right side. Thinking about that. We got nice
And
compression.
And
More on the
4,
left, more on the
5,
right.
and 1.
There we are.
All right.
Then,
Let's do the swing out.
yeah.
So swing outs are beautiful. I love these as a variation, but they do require hitting that connection in time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm sending her out, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, and 1. Notice I'm still using that pendulum action. I'm using my body to send her out and send her back. Now, what are you doing with that arm there?
As a follow, I'm really thinking about, okay, I've been given this encouragement. I'm thinking, oh, I got 3 beats to execute it. So I'm going to think about going far enough away that I can reach connection early and not have to keep backing up. And because I've got a little bit of rotation, I'm not going to wind all the way, but I'm going to give just enough in there availability so that if there's rotation next, which there might be, that I'm ready for it and that I'm not just straight out.
And notice, my body is creating that rotation.
Yeah,
right?
she's allowing that to go a little further.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Then we added the most
They're really
beautiful
fun bars.
tuck and turn. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Send them the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, back 4, 5, 6, and 1.
Let's go this way. Really thinking about follows, I want to be connected by 3 and by 6 so that I'm ready to step. Same with you leads. We talked about accommodating our follow if we need to take up the distance, and we're going to be sending before I have to take that step. So we got go ahead.
Let's do a basic on top. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And a step, and send step, and send step, and send step, right? So she's catching that energy. She's really flowing with me. We were talking about how she's really rotating with me. She's doing a lot of following me so that she can find the apex of the bounce and go together.
Absolutely. Then, hesitations.
Yeah.
So with hesitations, basically what I'm doing is I'm creating forward momentum and then I'm stopping it immediately. I'm going to use my core. I'm going to step down and back. But notice I'm never going to get my weight over that foot. I'm going to stay very upright, engage my core, and put a little more pressure between the palms so that I get a little more pressure from my follow.
She's also doing me the favor of not traveling at all.
Yes. So if we backed up a little bit,
And we're cooking down the floor.
I'm going to slow us down. 1 and 4. We also went to the back. 1, flip, and back. There's a compression release, compression release, and then we flowed right back out of it. And I think
that's what we did.
hopefully. So,
Excellent. Thank you guys so much.
congratulations, everyone. Well done.
Yay.